English Made Easy, Understanding Hair Curler. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting term, hair curler. This phrase might sound straightforward, but it has some nuances that are worth discussing. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these everyday terms can be both fun and educational. So, let's dive into the world of hair curlers. A hair curler is a tool used for styling hair. Specifically, it's designed to create curls or waves in the hair. There are various types of hair curlers, including manual rollers, heated curling irons, and automatic curlers. Each type works a bit differently, but the main goal is always to transform straight or slightly wavy hair into more pronounced curls or waves. Understanding this term is not just about the word itself, but also about the cultural and fashion practices related to hairstyling. Hair curlers have a fascinating history. They've evolved from simple manual devices to sophisticated electronic gadgets. In this section, we'll explore how hair curlers have changed over time and how these changes reflect broader trends in fashion and technology. Did you know that the first versions of hair curlers date back to ancient civilizations? We'll take a quick journey through time to see how a simple beauty tool has evolved. Now that we know what a hair curler is, let's practice using the term in a sentence. This is crucial for language learners to understand not just the meaning of words, but also how they fit into everyday conversation. We'll go through some examples like, she used a hair curler to style her hair for the party, or, can you recommend a good brand of hair curlers? This practice will help reinforce your understanding and boost your confidence in using new vocabulary. In this section, we'll explore variations and related terms. For instance, curling iron and hair roller are terms often used interchangeably with hair curler. We'll discuss the slight differences in contexts in which you might use one term over the other. Understanding these variations is key to enriching your vocabulary and grasping the subtleties of the English language. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the term, hair curler. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you insight into a small yet interesting part of everyday life and culture. Remember, learning a language is about connecting words to the world around us. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and informative English language lessons. See you next time.